What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a very exciting video. You guys have been asking a lot on what I pack when I do freelance and when I do other people's makeup. I literally just packed for a couple clients that I have today, and I just sat down and I just thought, hello, why did I never film this? I'm constantly packing and I'm constantly adding on to my kit. Like, by all means, I am not where I want to be or even remotely close. I've been doing freelance for literally a year already. I did do it for some time before and I didn't travel, and I did it for around a year until I realized, like, holy shit, I got anxiety. I took some time off and now I'm back on it, and so I recently just started traveling. If you're in the NYC area and you do want your makeup done, girl, book me. I will beat your face to the gods. That's a promise. That's a promise. If you guys want to see the tutorial for this eyeshadow look, I really do suggest adding me on Snapchat. I did do a Snapchat tutorial for this look. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. This right here is my kit. I bought this case actually 2 weeks ago and I've been loving it ever since. I did have a much smaller, just plain black kits that I got to hold around, and that was pretty much it. But the reason why I got this one was because not only can I hold it around like I am doing right now, excuse me, this is a little bit heavy. Like I said, I literally had just packed, so it's kind of beastie in here. It's a little heavy. The main reason is also because it does have a strap, so it's way easier for me to carry, and if I'm not with my boyfriend, then who's gonna carry it for me? Me. So I have to get a strap. It does have these 3 buckles right here so that I can put it as a book bag as well, which is super convenient, and that's why I also got it, because it has like several different ways that I can hold it, because a girl is gonna need a switch from time to time. It's about like 18 inches, 17 inches, something like that, and I did buy this on Amazon for around 50 bucks, which is not horrible at all. It's really good quality and I love it, and they do have it in different colors. This is not sponsored, by the way. I literally bought this with my own money. I didn't really think that the pink one would be this bright, but it is. I say let's just go ahead and get into the bag so I can show you the good. Here is my training kit, my freelance kit. I literally just packed it because, like I said, I do have a client and I just wanted to squeeze this video in for you guys. So I went ahead and just brightened it for you guys. These are compartments that you can take out, so they have like little linings so that you can create your own space and box whatever it is that you want in. For example, it came with one of these right here in the middle of this, and I literally just took it out because I wanted a much more bigger space. So you're allowed to like move these around and basically just have your space the way you want it. Right here in like the first little compartment I have is just brand new beauty blenders for my clients. I use brand new beauty blenders, and if not, I do have like this little travel beauty blender soap, just in case I have multiple clients and I only have limited sources of beauty blenders, which I shouldn't because I always keep extra. Just in case I need to wash a beauty blender, I do use the beauty blender blender soap. Literally just have another beauty blender in there. Of course, in there I just have some hand sanitizers so I don't go touching anyone's face, you know, with dirty hands. Just want to make sure everything is pretty much just sanitized. Now moving on to this compartment, this is like basically skin. So before I have a client, I literally just ask them questions like, hey, what is your skin type? Is it dry? Is it oily? So that I know exactly what to pack. So I have a Pixie toner. I do like to go in and tone their face, and I love to use this one because it adds a lot of moisture to the skin, so it's really good and it leaves a nice cute glow. It's been a really good primer for me, so I thought to go ahead and put it in here. You guys know that I'm all about skincare, so I have different kinds of serums, primers, and all of that. So this one is just the Dermalogica Age Smart Serum, which I really do love, and obviously this is a new bottle, meaning I did go through one and now I have another one. I love using this on myself, on clients. Next I have this Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For Reducing Redness Treatment Primer. This basically acts as a corrector for the skin. Sometimes other people's faces can be very sensitive than others, and because I don't want that to peek through the foundation, obviously I do want to cover up that redness, so I do use this. And then of course I do have a primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Face and Blur Primer. And then I have two different moisturizer. This one is the Vegan Milk Moisturizer, which is a very hydrating moisturizer. And then the other one I have in here is the Erno Laszlo Hydrotherapy Gel Cream, which is really this is a more mattifying moisturizer, so I do just have a hydrating one and a moisturizing one just to have options and, you know, be on the safe side. And then lastly, for the skincare, I do have the Pixi Skin Treats T-Zone Peel Off Mask in case one of my clients wants to do a mask, or, you know, they have any visible blackheads, whiteheads, and if they're comfortable with doing a mask, then I do put this on their nose while I do their eyes first and then skin. And this pulling out all of your clogged pores that you have really just helps for, you know, makeup to go on very smooth. Moving on to this compartment right here, this is obviously complexion. We have a bunch of these CoverGirl Clean Fresh foundation. I like these because these are very natural. This is very natural looking on the skin, and a bunch of people that I do makeup for usually doesn't wear makeup often, so they're often scared of, you know, looking way too cakey or looking like they have too much makeup on. And this is something that I can definitely build on. Like, I can put a thin layer or a thick layer, whatever they like. So I feel like this is a really good foundation. I literally just have I'll be right back to glue that on. All right, we're back. I glued that bitch on, but yeah, I have just a lot of different shade ranges. I also have just these 3 cream blushes. These are the Clean and Fresh CoverGirl blushes. I have light, medium, and also dark as well. Also just have a bunch of contour sticks. I have the LA Girl one, I have the Wet n Wild one, I have the ColourPop ones, and I also have the CoverGirl ones. I have NARS concealers. So I literally just keep all things like that right there. And then I have these loose powders. I have 1 in 10, and then another shade that's different in like a darker shade. I do have these Buxom Wonderlust blushes that I have all in different kinds of shades. Even if I am working on 1 client or 2 clients like I am today, I do like to pack more than enough stuff to, you know, satisfy those 2 clients and just have different options. Right here I just have like all of my eye stuff. So I do have all these different kinds of eyebrow pencils. Shout out to Bold Face Makeup that sent me these, and they also sent me in every single different shade, light brown, taupe, warm brown. I really do like these. This is how their pencil looks. It has a spoolie on one side and then the pencil on the other. Super good eyebrow pencil. It's super creamy. And then I just have lashes. Because I only have 2 clients, I literally only have 3 pairs of lashes in here. I have a pair of scissors, obviously to cut the lashes to the client's size. I have a eyelash curler just to make your eyelashes blend in with the fake ones. And then I have a shitload of different mascaras. I have eyeliners, ColourPop eyeliners. I have the NYX ones, white, black. These ColourPop glitter liners in here. I have my lash glue that I use for clients. And then I do just have, I can't get it. These nails, I literally can't pick up shit. I have a little Buxom sharpener right here in case I need to sharpen any of the pencils. Moving up here, I always carry these with me just in case, because there has been times where clients love to add on things. Sometimes I just show them like, hey look, this is what I have. Feel free to add on these foils, and I show them a picture of, you know, me using the foils and how they would look on their eye. I just have gold, silver, holographic, and rose gold. I also just keep these on me just in case because clients have asked for them. These go from like really small to like really big, and you can just add this to any look. This right here is a roll of just Super Shock shadows that I have that I'm going to use today. These 2 right here are ColourPop Jelly Much shadows. I'll go ahead and open one just to show you guys, you know, the difference between the Jelly Much and the Super Shock. So this right here is the Super Shock shadow. Super beautiful. It's dead as just like an eyeshadow. And then this right here is the Jelly Much. It's literally just a jelly eyeshadow, but it's more of a topper. So I just like to carry these around because sometimes it just makes a whole lot of difference in looks. And then underneath here, I have a bunch of Violet Voss's glitters. I have them in different shades. So this one is Unicorn Party. It's like a black holographic purple glitter. And then I have holographic, super pretty. This right here is a bunch of lip things. I do have separate lipsticks that I use on clients versus, you know, the ones that I use on me. So I do have liquid lipsticks. I have regular ColourPop lipstick, and I have a bunch of other options like nude, red, brown lip liner. I have red lip liner. I have lip glosses, plumping lip glosses, and I also have a lip scrub. I like to have them exfoliate their lips before I go in with any lip products. So moving from the top of this right here, you can clearly see that these have straps, which is a really good thing because that holds this thing up so that I don't have to continue opening and closing this kit, which is super convenient. My first kit did not have that, and so I would just be stressing about like where I put my shit at, and you know, if I put it back, and just going back and forth and literally losing my damn mind. So this is pretty convenient. But if you basically just flip up this top right here, it's basically all of my brushes. These are obviously all clean. I do clean my makeup brushes in between clients. So yeah, I just have a bunch of face brushes because you can never go wrong, and just a bunch of crease brushes. And it also brings another extra row where I can put more brushes, so it's super spacious. Right here is a zipper, and in here I literally just keep makeup wipes in case I need to remove any makeup before applying makeup, or in case I need to move any makeup from the table that I'm working on, literally anything. I have this little pouch here. It's like a Natasha Denona pouch, but I use it for hair clips. I feel like it's super important to have these. These are the ones that doesn't crease your hair. Majority of the time people come to me wanting their makeup done and their hair is already done, and I don't want to get makeup on it, so I literally just push it back with these. The next thing I have in there are these disposable spoolies. I got these off of Amazon, and I believe they were like $6 for 2 packs. Just come in handy because obviously you have to put on mascara, or if your client has extensions, you want to make sure that all the powder is off of their lashes before they go out looking crazy. Definitely do love these and recommend these. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. I also have lip applicators. This is the same exact brand as the spoolies, and I definitely recommend these. These can be used for wiping the crease and obviously, you know, lipstick and stuff like that, so these are super important. The next thing I have in here is a cape so that I don't get my client's shirt dirtied, you know, like the ones that they use at the barbershop, but instead this is like a mini one. This one will only cover your shirt so that, you know, the baking powder and stuff doesn't get on your shirt. I did buy this from Amazon as well, and it costed me like $10. And the next thing I have in here is the most important thing for me because I am very clumsy. Personalized apron. My boyfriend's mom got this for me for my birthday, which was super freaking cute. I really need to find out where she purchased it from. I'll leave it in the description box down below so that you guys can obviously get your hands on it. It has this where you can adjust to your neck, and it also has these pockets right here so that you can carry makeup brushes or anything that you're using in here, so you don't have to keep going back and forth to your kit. The main thing about this is that it has my name on it and my YouTube channel, and also my Instagram, which was super cute of her to do because self-promo is the best promo. That was this compartment right here, but this does have a second compartment, which I love because that means just more space. And I know you guys were like, bitch, where the hell is your palettes at? Like, what eye look are you gonna do? You have all these glitters, no eyeshadow. Where's the eyeshadow? Here is the eyeshadow. First off, I have this Cherie Cosmetics Born to Sparkle eyeshadow palette. Even though I packed glitters, you can never have enough glitters, and this is obviously more of a variety of like different shades. For my first client, she wants something natural, so I did pack this ColourPop Bare Necessities palette because it's literally your bare necessities. Like, this is a palette that you can create any soft glam, full glam, just any brown tones, warm tones, cool tones, pink tones. Like, this literally has it. Of course, I have a Morphe palette, and this is the Morphe 35M in here. I always love trying to get my clients into doing, you know, color and like dramatic, because why not, bitch? So I have a pink cranberry palette right here. Hi, I do have the Oh La La palette by ColourPop as well. I also have the Good as Gold ColourPop palette. I do have the Nude Mood ColourPop palette, which is basically brown glam smokiness palette, which I love. And then for more face, this is Il Makiage setting powder in the shade Translucent. It has a nice sheer glow to it, which I love using on all kinds of different skins. This powder is very universal, so I do love it. I have this Buxom Divine Goddess highlighter palette. This is all cream highlighters. This goes from light to medium to dark shades. This carrying case also comes with this as well, which I have no idea yet what this is for. before. Like I said, I literally just bought this, so I'm still trying to get used to it. But yeah, girl, I have no idea what this is for. That is the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little spontaneous video, but it's been a highly requested video. So like I said, if you're in the NYC area, then make sure to go ahead and book me. You will not regret it. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.